Hello there, good morning. Yeah, the roosters woke me up at exactly 430 hours. Right now it's 550. So, long story short, decided to just do a couple chores. I cleaned the stove top. As you can see, it's nice and shiny. There's no dirt. I put all the things back on there, obviously. Also, the dishwasher was put on a cycle last night and it was finished. So I went ahead and took everything out and put it back in and put everything else in its place. You know, whether it be the plates or the knives or these little things or, you know, things that go in here. A couple things. That right there. That's what I used to make the macaroni for Mariah the other night. Along with that, so the water could boil faster. What else did I put away? Oh, obviously you know, forks and spoons, maybe one knife. And this thing right here, I don't know what that is. And I made myself a coffee, so that's the end of this. Let's see if what the trees are looking like this morning. I haven't been paying too much attention to them. It's been raining, but there has been a heat wave, so I gotta start paying attention to them. Oh yeah, they don't look too sharp. These are the baby ones. Well, some more babies. Lemon tree, avocados. 7-Eleven over there at the end. Let me see. That's 22nd. So this must be Semilla. Let's go throw this out so it doesn't take up space in the kitchen bag. Just makes it fuller for no reason. Oh, I don't know if you can see, but this is the trash bin or whatever that goes out on the curb. Alright, hopefully pretty soon I'll be able to get my tobacco. Oh look, Amazon package. Okay, ciao.